Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning back in for another video. In today's video, I am going to be doing a wash and go. So for this wash and go, I'm actually going to slow it down for you guys. So if you've been watching me long enough, you know that when I do my wash days or my wash and goes, I always speed through the process just for the sake of time. Because if I slow it down and show you real time what it looks like, it would be probably over an hour video. In reality, I really love to take my time and doing my wash days and my wash and goes. It's very relaxing. It's very soothing to me. It is definitely a thing in the natural hair community. I think most naturals can attest to when it comes to our hair and wash day routines that we basically take a big chunk out of our day to do our hair because it is a process and we love to really take tender loving care of our hair, and it's very soothing, it's very relaxing for us, and it's just a very enjoyable moment. And that's also my self-care moment as well, when I like to focus on me and have my me time. So this wash and go that I'm going to do is called a slow-mo wash and go. So I'm just going to do my wash day routine, my wash and go routine in slow motion. So I want you guys to really enjoy it with me and just see how I thoroughly wash my hair and condition my hair and just everything just in slow motion, just a very relaxing slow motion state. So I want you guys to see that with me and share that with me and just kick back and relax. So before I get further into the video, let me go ahead and show you what products I'll be using, and then we'll go ahead and start this process. From IVISII, I'll be using the Miracle Curls Co-Wash with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. This product has no sulfates, parabens, and dyes. Also from IVISII, from the Total Miracle line, I'll be using the 7-in-1 conditioner with apricot and Australian macadamia oil. This product is paraben free. And for my stylers, I'll be using from Uncle Funky's Daughter, the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. And for that extra slip and moisture, I'll be using from Eden Body Works, the Almond Marshmallow Hydration Serum. This product promotes shine, is lightweight, and is silicone free. So right now my hair is really dry. I have it in these two dry puffs that I'm going to take down right now. So very dry, no moisture whatsoever in my hair. It's just a poofy, dry, shrunken mess. So we're going to get into this thing and get my hair done right. Put some moisture back in here, some shine, get this curl definition back and popping. So we're going to go ahead and start this slow-mo wash and go. So without further ado, let's get started. So the sun is going down, starting to set, and my hair, I'm just going to let it air dry for the rest of the day and just poof it out even more. So that concludes the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the slow-mo wash and go that I did today. If you guys like this slow-mo video and you would like to see other wash days or wash and go in slow-mo, just let me know in the comment section below what type of styles you'd like for me to do, and also what products you would like to see me use as well. Other than that, I really enjoyed the results of my hair and how it turned out for the slow-mo wash and go. So with that being said, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.